let me milk a little more of the views out of this. I'm not done with you yet. I see all you people watching but not subscribing. Please. Here's the real shit. I'm a Goblin Slayer. Better say your prayer. You little boy. What you doing there? Why'd you even care though? It wasn't even good though. Could have seen more down low. Goblin. They're a different race, bro. But you still didn't even see the rape. What the fuck? Why? Rape ain't good, but it's art. Bad art, but you know, the show sucks. Yes, it does. Suck my ass. Goblin Slayer sucks. The rape ain't good though. Rape sucks. It's bad. The show looks terrible. Visually, it looks bad. Just stop watching it. Please. Why does it have such a high rating on Mal? Goblin Slayer can suck my ass. It sucks so bad, it ain't even crass. It tries to be offensive, but it is offensive because rape is an offensive thing. It is bad, and that's what it's trying to say. But the show sucks. Can we stop? Like, why do people keep making videos about this? I get the point. Stop. Pedantic romantic, your video is cool. My ass. You suck my ass. I'm a Goblin Slayer. Stop making videos. My video is the best one. Oh wait, my video sucks. Oh fuck. What the fuck am I doing? What the fuck am I doing with my fucking life? Fuck my ass. What the fuck? Am I a Goblin Slayer? I don't want to be a goblin. The goblins rape. I don't want to rape. I'm a Goblin Slayer. I have 8 rating on Mal. I don't know why I have such a high rating on Mal. It's pretty Cali. Subscribe to my channel. Subscribe please. I'm a Goblin Slayer. You better say your prayer, I guess. I don't know why would you say your prayer. Like, there ain't goblins. They're not goblins. They're like, what? What even is this fucking rap? Like, suck my ass, man. Stop watching Goblin Slayer. Like, watch fucking Bookseller Honda-san. Like, it's so much better. Please.